everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liza if you're new around here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a few of my IKEA best buys. Now I've done one of these videos before, so I'll link that one down below for you, but I've got so many more. So I thought I would just show you around my house and show you my favourite best buys from IKEA. I'm going to show you some garden items and also interior items, so if you want to know what I love, then just keep watching. Let's get started. So my first IKEA best buy in today's video is this. This is the Strandmon chair, and this is a wingback chair. I absolutely love this chair. I don't know why I didn't mention it in the last video that I did, because I have lived in it ever since we bought it. This is basically my little seat in the mornings, and I absolutely love it here. It's so nice by the window so I can see outside, and it's super comfy as well. I love the arms on it, so they're quite high up, so they're really lovely for support, and I love the colour of it as well. This is the light beige, and they have so many different colours in this, and I also find that when you do go into store, sometimes they have different colours on offer, so that is something really good to note. And also they may have them on the website on sale as well. This one here is £199, and you can also get a matching footstool if you wanted to. The fabric is looks a little bit like a linen fabric. It's very easy to clean, even though it is a lighter colour, and it also has some fabric buttons as well for detailing. They have a bunch of different colours on the website with some patterns and designs as well. I also like that they have it with the black woodwork as well for the feet, so you can see here. This is a really cool patterned one. It's like a dog tooth style pattern fabric, and then it's got the black feet there as well. Our one has the wooden feet, which actually matches our sofa, so that is why we opted for that one. But this is definitely my favourite, most used item from IKEA for the last 2 to 3 years now. Another best buy is the fabrics. So basically they have loads of great textiles in IKEA, and this blanket here was from IKEA, and I use it just to drape over the chair. I love all of the different textiles in IKEA. They also have amazing cushion covers as well. I also have quite a few chunky knitted throws from IKEA as well, and they're really affordable at around £15. But this one here was from IKEA. I actually bought it when I was doing my son's nursery up because I thought it would look lovely in there, but then I brought it down here. What is amazing about IKEA products and most textile products is that you can move them around your house to change up the looks and really give the room a refresh. So that is what I like to do with the fabrics and textiles, and that is what I've done here. Now this parasol here is one of my favourite garden buys. We bought this, it was £45. You can buy it for £85, and that comes with the weights, but we haven't actually used the weights because what we've done is we've wedged it underneath the sofa, and that holds it in place. I will buy the weights in the future possibly, but for now that is absolutely working fine for us, and it's a really lovely white parasol, very easy to assemble and put down, and it works really well. For £45 I think it's such a great buy because these can be really expensive in other stores, so I thought it worked really well with our sofa set, which is actually from JYSK, so I thought I would quickly mention that just in case you wanted to know. So the sofa and table are from JYSK, which we bought online in the sale, but the parasol is an amazing garden buy from IKEA. We absolutely love it. They have so many on the website, but this just works really well with our decor, and I just think it looks great. My next favourite is this Bistro Set and Cushions. Now this Bistro set we have actually painted, so it doesn't look like how it would on the IKEA website. It's usually like a dark brown colour, but I painted it in the same colour that we've got on our fence in Cuprinol natural stone paint, and I have painted this twice now. I did it last year and then I repainted it this year just to kind of give it a little freshen up, and I love it. I think it's so cute, and a really great idea is to kind of paint it to customise it to your garden taste. So if you've got like dark charcoal paint on your fence, and you could paint it that colour, or you can go with more of a fun colour like a bright pink or a turquoise. That would look really cool as well. The cushions as well are also from IKEA, and they also have these in different colours too. I bought these in store, but they do have them online. So this Bistro set is another garden favourite. So my next favourite is this bamboo vase. The reason why I love it so much is because it is bamboo, and I've got young children around, so having a vase on the floor can be quite a hazard, especially with young children. But with this being bamboo, if they were to knock it over, then it would be absolutely fine, and I just think it's really lovely. I love the colour of it, and I just keep some IKEA foliage in there as well, so all of those flowers and greenery that you see in there are also from IKEA as well, and I just think it's really pretty. You could also customise this if you wanted to. You could paint it, you could add ribbons, you could add whatever you wanted to if you wanted to change it up, but I just really love the kind of natural colours and textures. This is called the Cafe Bona and it's £19. We bought it in store. It's very lightweight and easy to move, so yeah, I think it looks perfect in our hallway. So the next item that I have to show you is the mirror. So this is a Nissadale mirror and we actually have two of these. So this is the 65 by 150 centimetres and it was £45. It's got a white frame that kind of sticks out a little bit and it's really sleek. It comes in 3 different sizes. We have 2 of the sizes at home. We've got this on our landing in our home and it works really well. It's a great way for reflecting light and making a space seem a lot bigger than it is. So I would highly recommend this mirror for £45. I think it's just timeless. This mirror is also available in black, a concrete effect and also a white stained oak effect, just for reference. If you wanted something else to kind of suit your style, it's a really great mirror. It's the perfect mirror to check your outfits in the morning or when you're going out because it is so big, but they do have a smaller one which is slightly narrower, which I'm going to show you now. So this is a smaller mirror which we've got on our landing as well. So this is on a smaller part of the landing wall and I didn't really know what to put here, so I just thought by having both mirrors up here it would reflect a lot of light and make the space seem a lot bigger because this is quite a small landing, but as you can see it works really well. This would work great in a small bathroom or a small bedroom. Because it's narrow, you don't need a lot of wall space, which is absolutely perfect. And this mirror here was £25, so much cheaper, but not too much smaller than the other one, just a lot narrower, still the same height. These mirrors are great and they work really well in this space. And my final favourite is our Ikea Pax wardrobe system. So we've shown you this quite a few times recently. I actually did a Pax wardrobe tour if you would like to see how it all looks inside, but basically this is an Ikea Pax hack because we have made it look like built-in wardrobe. I love all of the mirrored doors, but if you didn't want mirrored doors you can change that completely because Ikea have such a huge range of options for doors and obviously sizes as well. You can change the size of the wardrobe, you can change what you have inside of it. We have also got a hidden TV space and vanity in our wardrobe as well, so that works really well. This is definitely one of my favourite storage purchases to date because it works so well in our room and you can really make it personal to you and unique to your space. So if you have a really small space to get some storage in, you could definitely work one of these Pax wardrobes in. So many different options on how to fill them and yeah, I absolutely love it. So check out the Pax Wardrobe Planner. It's actually on the website, so it's the Pax Planner on the website, or when you can go into store you can ask them in store and they can help you with that as well. But that is our Pax wardrobe. So that is the end of the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching my IKEA Best Buys. Let me know what your favourite items are from IKEA and if you've got anything recently that you absolutely love. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Tick-tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do and I wish you would be right here with me.